A very good morning to all my dear students. So, as we all were doing the chapter surface areas and volumes, okay, so we have already started. So, let's just finish it. Today will be the last, and then tomorrow you'll be having the mock test and revision. Exercise 13.1, few questions we have already done. So, we are going to do the fourth question, in which it is given that dimensions of a brick eat, which is of the cuboidal shape, its length, breadth and height are given to you. You have to find out the total surface area. Okay, so first of all, total surface area निकालना क्यों है? Because the question is you have to paint the brick. Okay, and the paint in a container is sufficient to paint an area is 9.375 meter square. So for that, क्योंकि ईट है तो उसको आपने चारों ओर से पेंट करना पड़ेगा. So it will be total surface area. So total surface area of the brick will be twice into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, this is the formula you know. So you have to substitute the values. So it will be 2 into 22.5 into 10, which will give you 225. 10 into 7.5, 75, and 7.5 into 22.5, which is 168.75. So the area, after calculating, doing all the calculations, we are getting the area as 0.9375. Okay, now the paint in the container, जो एक कंटेनर में पेंट है, it is sufficient to paint the area. कितना एरिया वो पेंट कर सकता है? 9.375 meter square. Now area of one brick is this much. The total number of bricks which can be painted using that one container will be total area which can be painted by one container divided by area of one brick. So it is coming 100. That means using that one brick you can paint only 100 bricks. So I hope all of you have understood this question. Now we'll see the next one. Edge of a cubical box. You have a cubical box. Cubical box means cube hai. So its edge is 10 centimeter. All the sides are equal. So first you have to calculate the lateral surface area. So lateral surface area is 4 into a square, which is 400 centimeter square. Okay, and then you have another cuboidal box whose length, breadth and height are given to you: 12.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So its lateral surface area you will calculate as 2 into L plus B into H. So it will be 2 into 12.5 plus 10, which will give you 22.5 into 8 into 2 will give you 360 centimeter square. Okay, so the question was whose lateral surface area is greater and by how much. So you can see clearly lateral surface area of the cubical box is greater and by 40 centimeter square. 400 minus 360 is 40 centimeter square. So you can see we have written over here lateral surface area of cubical box is greater by 40 centimeter square. Now you have second part in which again it is given total surface area of. Now you have to calculate the same जो आपके पहले dimensions थे उन्हीं dimensions को use करके you have to calculate total surface area, which is 6a square, so 600 centimeter square. And for the cuboidal box, the same dimensions, you have to use a different formula, which is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, then just substitute the values and the answer is 610 centimeter square. Understood? So here you can see that the total surface area of cubical box is smaller. पहले lateral surface area cubical box का ज़्यादा था. Now the total surface area of cubical box is smaller by 10 centimeter square, because in this question it is asked which one is having smaller TSA. So this is the answer. Okay. So now after fifth question I am doing the last question of the exercise. Remaining sums you will be doing. So the question is herbarium. Okay. A herbarium is made up of glass whose dimensions are given L, B and H. 30 centimeter, 20. Whose dimensions are given to you 30 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 25 centimeter. So first of all, area of glass we will calculate. So total surface area we will calculate, which is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, then you will put all the values. So the answer is 4250. So this is the total surface area of the glass required for making the herbarium, which is 4250 centimeters square. Now what is the total tape needed for all the 12 edges? So what is the total tape? Okay, उसके चारों टेप लगानी है. So total 12 edges are there. So for that it is L plus B plus H. Okay, so this is coming 4 times L plus B plus H. This is the perimeter. So this is coming 4 times because 4 times L will come, 4 times B will come and 4 times H will come. जहाँ पे भी edges हैं total 12, उन सब पे आपको टेप लगाना है. So 4L plus 4B plus 4H. Total 12 edges are there. Just put the value. So this is 320 centimeter. Okay, so टेप जो है वो हर्बेरियम के चारों ओर लगाने के लिए कितना चाहिए? 320 centimeter. So this is the answer. So this way we have completed the exercise 13.1. I hope you all will complete and do all the remaining sums. So that's all for today. Thank you.